Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Febrith and today we have another unboxing. These videos apparently are like buses in that you don't get one for ages and then two come along at once. This I wasn't expecting. I got this brown box delivered in the mail yesterday. No identification, no idea where it came from or what it is, but as I'm expecting a number of parcels, I just opened it like you do. And the first thing that I saw when I did is this bizarre, colourful item that, what is this? Who's sending me rubbish? I thought. And then when I lifted it up and had a look, I realised what it was and who it was from. So yeah, I would have expected a box in a box or some sort of identification, but never mind. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. If I don't sound impressive, just simply because I looked at this and thought, what? What is that thing? So it's in like a carrier bag. Let's get it open. Oh God. Okay, I think it might be a towel. Okay, it's a huge towel. Too big to show. Do I like it? Not really. There's a mermaid on it. Okay, yeah, a towel. Let's see what else is in here. I'll put you into top-down view so that you can see the other things close up. Okay, first we have this beautiful box, and this is another one in the set of teacups. Honestly, I haven't kept them because they're just not really my cup of tea, not meaning, no pun intended. This is cute. It's got a door. I guess they're more like espresso cups or just ornaments, aren't they, really? Let's face it. I love the fat lady. Okay, so we've got the doors to the common rooms then, eh? Here's the barrels. This is a good idea and I like the design. Let's have a look at the matching saucer. Cute. Yeah, I like it. Very nice. Okay, this next item's intriguing. Came nicely wrapped. Beautiful key. Look at it, it's huge. That is so nice, and I absolutely love the stained glass. That is gorgeous. Wow. I mean, you could take that off and use this in a crafting project or anything, couldn't you? They are really good looking. Love that. That's a keeper. Good one. Okay. Next we have a diary. Look how beautiful. Got Aslan and whatever that is, a partridge. Maybe. Let's get the wrapper off. Instead of blinding you with the plastic, that is so handsome and huge. And it's weird because I have kept a diary at various points in my life and then not. I mean, mainly when I was really young, and I never kept them. This is lovely. It kind of makes me want to start writing again, although honestly it would be the world's most boring diary, which is good because, we don't like drama. But yeah, this is cute. I love this back as well. Look how nice. What a beautiful piece of work that is. Okay, let's move on. Right, next we've got a t-shirt which somehow I've already got my hair on. Crazy. So, came for the status, stayed for the perks. Interesting. What? What is that? Okay, well, we've got the 4 flags, we've got the bathroom, mermaid, egg, whatever, reference, the envelope, bathroom taps, prefects only. Interesting. Anything on the back? Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. Prefect. I actually love that. Oh my God, I actually do. I was a prefect at school for a short period until they realised that I was a bad influence, only because of the way that I dressed, which didn't fit in with school policy. So yeah, I wasn't a prefect for very long. That's cool. I really like it. It's very long. Crikey, I'm going to have to take that up. But yeah, I often do. That's nice. I love the colours as well. Super. All right, see what else? Okay, we've got a sticker to match that t-shirt. I'm not sure what I'll do with that, but that's quite nice too. We also have, okay, so This picture, that's the towel basically, so now you know. And on the back we've got the spoiler sheet. Okay, we'll come back to that in a second. But look at this weekly plan. Does anybody use these things anymore? They're kind of like, I don't know, I think of these as like the 80s. I don't know, might be being a bit harsh. I won't take it out of the wrapper because I know it's something that I'm not going to use and somebody else will. So yeah, I'll leave it in there. All right, I like the coffee mark. That's a very cool little feature, and the ink blot, very nice. All right, let's have a look at this then. So the t-shirt, very good. The dorm house key and fob, that's what it is, your dorm key. The Enchanted Mermaid beach towel. The Moonlit Conservatory diary. Is that my favourite item? Could be. Sticker sheet. Oh, and there were add-ons which obviously I didn't buy. Okay, that's it. Do let me know what you think about this one. For me, the winners are the t-shirt, the key and the diary, which are all beautiful. I'm so glad to have them. And that's it. So I'll call it the end and say thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon for the next one. Bye.